Welcome. For the next 10 minutes, there is nothing you need to do. Find your most comfortable position. Lying down is ideal. Your head supported. The weight of your body settling into whatever is holding you. Close your eyes when you're ready. You don't need to do this perfectly. Just follow along loosely. Let's begin with breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose and out slowly through your mouth. Again, in, filling, out, releasing. Breath settling into its own rhythm. Nothing to control. Your attention comes to your feet. Just noticing them, the way they're resting. When you're ready, gently curl your toes under, just enough to feel a light tension. And release. Toes softening, warm. Notice the difference. Nothing to do here. Now your calves and shins. Gently point your toes downward. A light tension along the backs of your legs. And release. Legs getting heavier. Now your thighs and hips. Gently tighten your thighs, just enough to feel it. And release. Legs becoming heavy. Now your belly and chest. A breath in, and as you do, gently tighten the muscles in your belly. A soft contraction. and release. Exhale, the belly softening. Now your hands and forearms, a light fist, a little tension through your hands and forearms. And release, fingers uncurling. Now your shoulders and neck, shoulders lifting toward your ears, just enough to feel them rise. And drop, shoulders sinking. Now your face, a gentle scrunch, jaw, eyes, forehead, a light squeeze. And release, jaw falling open slightly. A slow breath in and out. From the top of your head down to your feet, your entire body softening a little more. Breath slowing, body heavy. Sleep can come. Your body knows how to rest. Heavy, soft. Supported